Yo, what is guys? In this video, I'm showing you guys an automation where essentially what you can do is scrape lots and lots of Reddit comments, and it's going to be really useful for you guys to use if you're searching for new video ideas or you want to learn more about the market you're targeting, everything like that. You can really specify it through a Reddit community. It's really up to you how you want to do it, but I'm going to show you guys this automation, how you can do it in a step-by-step format. You guys can copy exactly what I'm doing, and you guys will have the automation for yourself, so you can do your research, everything like that, and how you want to do it, right? So what we're going to do is get right into it. I'm not going to waste any more time, so let's just do this, okay? First thing first, Apify. We're going to be using Apify, and it's going to be our data extraction tool, and we are going to click on Run an Actor. And what we're going to do is use an actor from Apify. So we're going to head over to Apify store, and what we're going to do is literally just search for Reddit, and we are looking for a specific one, Reddit Scraper Lite. This is the one we're using, TrueDAX Reddit Scraper Lite. And essentially what we can do is just head over back to make.com real quick and we will search for it. So if we head over to Apify Store Actors, TrueDAX, Reddit Scraper, let's double check. Reddit Scraper Lite. Oops, it's gone away. TrueDAX, Reddit Scraper Lite, perfect. Now we've got our actor in Apify, in make.com ready to go, okay? And now what we're going to do is change this JSON. We're going to delete all of this. And what we're going to do is head over back to Apify, and we are going to put in the link we want. So we are going to put in copywriting. This is going to be what we're targeting. Obviously, you can change this to certain communities you want to target. So for example, if you're targeting plumbers, then find a Reddit community around plumbers and what their problems are. And that will help you dial in an offer, tailor your messaging better towards them, whatever the case might be, right? If you're targeting like restaurants, then put restaurants down, or whatever the case might be, right? Use this to optimize your research and kind of understand where you're positioned and maybe what's going around in a specific case in a specific area, right? So if you're doing copywriting services, then you can find out what's popping in copywriting, what's doing popular, or if it's AI automation, find out what the new AI tools going around in a Reddit community, right? So it's really up to you how you want to do it. But just for example, I'm just going to go into copywriting, see in the comments in there, and you can scrape this. You can even get ChatGPT to summarize it later on if you like, and kind of like get a better idea, kind of get a better basis, kind of like your own like personal research news tool. Okay, it's really up to you, but that's how we're going to use it, right? So what we're going to do is go through this. We've got the copywriting Reddit community here. We'll just go through these, have a look real quick. You can all start URL, search for new. We can even do popular if we want to, right? We're just gonna keep it as new, see what's up to date at the moment. Leave it as search terms if you'd like. If you're looking for something specific, filters, we are not going to include NSFW content. No. Okay, anyway, sorry about that. Maximum number of items to be saved, limit of posts to be scraped. What we're going to do is change that. We are going to go for 20, and we'll do the same thing here. Limit, we'll put that up to 20. Just make sure we are scraping 20. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. If we head over to JSON, we'll double check this, max comments. Yeah, perfect, cool. Scroll timeout, getting nice. Okay, perfect. That's what we're going to do. We're going to scrape 20 comments from this Reddit community copywriting. And yeah, let's do this. So JSON, what we're going to do is literally just copy and paste it, copy to clipboard here, that little button. Head over back to make.com, copy and paste it in, and you're good to go. That's all you need to do. All you need to click on now is save. So we're going to save it. And what we're going to do now is add a sleep module. And essentially what the sleep module does is it makes sure our Apify actor can actually go out, scrape these comments from Reddit and essentially give it back to us. So we don't want to go right in, search for what we're looking for, right? Run the actor and ask for the data right back. We need a sleep module to allow time for Apify to go out, actually scrape the comments and bring them back. And you're going to see what I mean by that in just a moment. But what we're going to do now is just add a delay. We're going to add a 30-second delay. Obviously, if you're searching for more comments, then it will be a higher sleep module time. If it's less comments, then it will be lower. And it just works in correspondence. But obviously, do your due diligence and test it out for yourself. Make sure that you are getting the comments within the time frame you need. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean just a moment, right? So what we're going to do now is head over into Apify again as our third module. Oops, Apify. And what we're going to click on is show more and get dataset items, right? And all you need to do is head over to dataset ID, scroll down and head over into default dataset ID, save that, and you are good to go, okay? we're going to run it, test it, make sure we're getting this data. So what we're going to do now is head over into Appify again, head over into runs, and you can see, if we just wait a moment, starting the crawler, perfect. You can see searching for 9 requests. This should be increasing in just a moment. Crawl finished. 20. Perfect. Now you can see 20 comments here ready for us to use. And if we head over back into mate.com, you can see you've got the data here. Scroll down and you've got your 20 comments right here, bundle 20. Perfect, right? Amazing, ready to go. And what I want to show you guys real quick, you can see that this Appify actor took 20 seconds to do this. And we put a 30-second timer. So obviously working correspondence, if we were searching for 50 comments, then that Appify actor, that sleep module, sorry, would have to go up to like a minute, right? Obviously test it around, as I said, but yeah, you can see what I mean by that. Now what we're going to do is literally add this into Google Sheets. So we have a formatted way of viewing all these comments. So we're going to head over into Google Sheets, add a row, and I'm going to create a quick Google Sheet for this. So we're going to head over to Google Drive, new Google Sheets, and we're literally going to search this up. We're going to go Reddit comments scraped data. We're just going to call it data because I might have a duplicate. So we're going to call it that. And what we're going to do now is literally go back over to mate.com and see the variables we're working with, right? So one of them are definitely going to be the actual comment and what it consists of. So the content of it, description. There we go. So we can take note of all of this we want. So for example, the description, the name of the user. If we scroll down, there we go, body. Yeah, body is what we're going to be looking for. Body. Okay. Horrendous. There we go. I'm not sure what this first module is about, this first bundle here. But we'll see what happens when we put it into Google Sheet. But all we're looking for is body. That is literally the link, the Reddit comment. So we'll add that in. You can see, yep. That's the post. The first bit is the post. Yes, description is the post, and the rest of these are the comments. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so what we're going to do is actually add in the comments. We're going to add in one more other variable. We'll add in the username. Actually, no, we'll add in the URL. Yeah, we'll do the URL instead. So what we're going to do, add in the URL and add in the comment. And actually what we can do now is map this. So if we head over back into mate.com, go to Google Sheets, call this Reddit, find it. So Reddit comment scraped, amazing. That is the sheet we're using. And what we're going to do is click to sheet 1, and this should all be mapped containing headers, URL, and comment. We'll scroll down, and we should be able to find it. If I can have a look, URL, there we go. URL, comment, and we've got body. Perfect. All good to go. Now what we're going to do is just test it, run it once, and we'll see it all into Google Sheets. Hopefully, obviously, if there's any errors, we'll just debug it. But essentially, we've got all our Reddit comments we want, and we've done our research around copywriting. The next steps would probably be using ChatGPT to go through it all and say, look, you know, what is the main trends here? What can we use from here in our own systems? And literally just retrain your own ChatGPT to feedback, you know, about copywriting, about whatever you're learning about, and kind of just update from there, right? You can have that feedback loop in there. But yeah, you can see 4, 5, 6, 7. But anyways, you can see them all adding in the URL, all the comments here, amazing, ready to go. We'll head over down into 22 because one of them being the post. Yeah, so you can see. Right, so you have all the comments ready to go. You can use them however way you like. Learn about copywriting. Really great way to use this. Really easy way to set it up as well. You can see that took just under 10 minutes. Now just doing the outro. So, but yeah, you guys can see how this works. Use it for yourself. If you do have any other questions or anything you want me to change with this, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to go through this and, you know, answer any of your questions and answer any queries regarding this and how you can actually use this, right? But other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video, hopefully you found it useful, and I will see you guys in the next one.